Oh, finally, the kids have gone to school, but she's sick. So what do you want to do, sis? Can I just bring all of my, like, all of our brothers and sisters? Yeah, sure, I guess. Okay. She invited them all over. Hey, guys. Don't mind the background noises. Hey, guys. Hello. Hi. Oh my god, how I missed you, Cheryl. And Ellie as well. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Oh my god. We have got everything here. After 1 hour. Okay, I think it's time for us to go. Yeah. Oh, okay, bye. Bye. Why aren't you going? No, I'm just gonna stay here for a little while. Okay, that's fine with me. Hey, we're wearing the same outfit. Yeah, I know. It is pretty, right? Yeah, it is very pretty. Yeah, so my little one is gonna have a beautiful sleepover with her friend. Oh, who? Alicia is gonna have a sleepover, right? Yeah, Alicia's gonna have a sleepover. So yeah. Beep 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 beep. Huh? What's that? My god. Sorry guys. Huh? What's that? Hey. Hey bestie. Hey, what's up? Oh good, oh good. What are you doing? And nothing. When are you coming here? Oh, are we sick? Alicia. Oh, Alicia, I really don't know when to come, so just tell me when to, like, come and whatever stuff. Oh, you can come right now. Oh, sure, I'll just pack my things, you know, and go to your home. Yeah, okay. I'll be waiting for you there. Okay. I mean, here. Yeah, Alicia. Could you do me a favor? Yes. Do you have any pets in the house? Yes, why? Do you have any bunnies in the house? No, why? Well, 'cause I'm allergic to bunnies and I don't know if you have a lot of pets there. Yeah, I do have a lot of pets, but I don't have cats and dogs. Okay, perfect. 'Cause I'm honestly allergic to bunnies, so if you had a bunny, I wouldn't be there. Oops. Yeah, I got it. Okay, come back whenever you want. Okay. Mom. Oh, hey, darling, your auntie is here. Oh, hey, auntie. Hello. Aren't you getting your hair done? Yes, I am. Well, after I leave. Can my mom come with you? I really want to take care of the baby. Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm coming too. Let's just go now. Yeah, okay. Bye, sweetheart. Be good with guys, I forgot the name of her friend. Have fun with Emmy. Yeah. Okay, bye. They go home. This is at me. Hey, girl. Hey. Whoa, your hair's so pretty. Yeah, thanks. I just got it, but I want to take them out. So I wanted to ask if you would wanna come with me and change my hair. Yeah, of course. Just put something comfy on. It's not really far away. Okay. What should I wear? What should I wear, bestie? You could wear this. It is a little too comfy. Yeah, you're right. What should I wear? I know what should you wear. What? This outfit is really pretty. Oh, it is. Thanks for choosing for me, bestie. Really like this outfit. Wait a minute, guys. I can't. Okay. Okay, let's go. Are you gonna pay? Oh no. What? I don't have my credit card or anything. I'll just pay for you. Thanks, Bessie. You're welcome. No problem. Don't mind the background noises. Okay, let's go. Hi. Hello. Hello. How may I help you? I would just want to redo my hair. Okay. That'll be $50. Beep. Wow, that was expensive. You owe me $50. Yeah, okay. Hello, I like to change my hair color. Okay. Really don't care, but it's fine. Oh my god! Sorry. Stupid WhatsApp. Sorry guys. Kind of rage quit. Yeah, that's not pretty. That's nice. Wait a minute, guys. I need to find the woman. Yeah, okay. Let's go back. Would you like even a haircut? Yeah, but I'm going in another place. Let's go. Thank you so much for being here. Okay. They go to another salon to redo her hair. Here, she just colored her hair. Okay. Yes, guys, it is at Volkswagen Festival, but they're not gonna stay there for long. Okay, girl. That one suits you real well. Yeah, thank you. No problem. We didn't even have to pay for it. Yeah, like honestly, I really love these pouches. Keep them. They are for free. Cause my mom owns this place. Yeah, mom is very rich. Yeah, she is. And she's as well so pretty. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go. Okay. Where am I sleeping? Oh, by the way, down here. Wow, that's a pretty nice bed. Are you happy with your bed? I like it, but it's just not the best. You know, I went to other sleepovers and I got to sleep on the biggest bed I've ever slept on. Yeah, I know, my family can't afford really nothing. But I guess it's fine. Mom and auntie and little sister come home. Hey girls. Hey girls. Hey mom. Hey mom. We were just coming by and saying what were you doing, but we found you here. Now we're just going there in the kitchen. So, what happened to school today, honey? Nothing bad at all. Okay, what do you want to do now? Can we take some pictures? Yeah, I'll put my mask on. Okay, perfect. Let's take some pictures. They take some pictures. Those were some pretty pictures. Yeah, I know. Okay guys, that's the end of this roleplay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.